यो व्हाट्स अप पीपल। हाँ जी, आज का वीडियो बहुत स्पेशल होगा बिकॉज आज हम आपको दिखाएंगे फूड रिएक्शन। पता है किसका? हाल ही में ही आए थे मुंबई से उड़ के दिल्ली, स्पेशली एक प्यारे से सेलिब्रिटी कुणाल विजयकर जी, जिनको आपने उनके चैनल पे देखा होगा खाने में क्या है, या फिर बहुत फेमस एक्टर है। आज हम इन्हें चखाएंगे दिल्ली का स्पेशल बटर चिकन, और वो पुरानी दिल्ली की छोटी गलियों में 100 साल पुराना करीम्स रेस्टोरेंट की अमेजिंग मुगलाई करीज। बेहतरीन बात यह है कि कुणाल विजयकर जी को मैंने चैलेंज किया था कि दिल खुश हो जाएगा, जायज होगा दिल्ली आना। सबसे बड़ी बात कि इनका रिएक्शन देखना है, वो स्पेशल ग्रेवीज के साथ। वीडियो के अंत तक बन रहे ना। कहते हैं ना अपने चैनल पे खाने में क्या है, आज हम इन्हें बताएंगे खाने में क्या है, और ये हमें बताएंगे दिल्ली का खाना कैसा है। लेट्स स्टार्ट। हाय कुणाल, वेलकम टू दिल्ली। हाउ आर यू?
ऐसे मिलते हैं यार, ऐसे मिलते हैं यार। कैसे हो?
दिल वालों की दिल्ली में आपका वेलकम है। हाउ आर यू? ऑल वेल?
आई एम वेरी वेल और आई रियली लाइक बटर चिकन। हर जगह जाता हूँ बटर चिकन खाता हूँ, लेकिन बटर चिकन इन दिल्ली का एक अजीब नाता है। करेक्ट?
बहुत प्यारा बटर चिकन से दिल्ली वालों का। एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू इट्स गोइंग टू बी स्मैशिंग। मजा आ जाएगा। हम आए आज मीनार रेस्टोरेंट व्हिच इज अबाउट 55 years old.
55-year-old Minar restaurant.
And the butter chicken is crazy. मतलब दिमाग खराब कर देगा।
If you say it's crazy, I believe you.
100%.
तो चलो जाते हैं
हमारे गप्पे शप्पे अंदर चल के करिए ऑर्डर।
बटर चिकन खाते हैं।
ले लेट्स गो।
शोएब, बटर चिकन has come on the table. इतनी बड़ी हंडी भर के बटर चिकन आई है। इमीडिएटली इसको देखकर मेरा एक सवाल आता है कि is this what a दिल्ली वाला बटर चिकन looks like really?
It does, and can I say this? जो 80-90 के लोग जो बड़े हुए हैं ना, we grew up eating this. Recipes may have changed, but for us this is hands down the best. And you will experience it abhi.
मुंबई में जो बटर चिकन है, it is in various shades of red and orange. फुल लाल आती है, जो उंगलियां भी लाल हो जाती है। लाइट ऑरेंज भी आती है, येलो में भी आती
Exactly आती है।
लेकिन ये जो है, ये क्रीमी है।
I think this is rare. Then I'd say this is a bit rare.
Okay.
And this is a very different butter chicken to what you'd see otherwise.
Okay.
And which is why I think it stands out. Creamy texture, and it's on the tangy side. Creamy and tangy.
चलो टेस्ट करते हैं।
Let's do it.
मैं आपको सर्व कर रहा हूँ।
Hi, thank you for doing that. I thought I'd do it.
अरे यार, नेक्स्ट टाइम तू कर ले। Here, sir, आप चूज करो
I
जो
prefer
चाहिए।
tandoori roti.
And I will have the
Butter garlic naan.
Yeah.
Can I serve it to you?
please.
There you go. Before we begin, can I suggest something?
Please.
ये प्याज को नहीं छोड़ सकते हम पीछे। इसकी ना हिस्ट्री है, मसाले वाले सिरके वाले प्याज, एंड थोड़ा सा ना काम इनकम्प्लीट होगा इसके बिना।
So there is legend behind butter chicken in Delhi. इसका कुछ legend है इस butter chicken का?
So there's this name called बापे which began in Lahore 1903 के अंदर।
Okay.
And उस बापे से जन्म हुआ मीनार का 55 years ago.
Okay.
They make slow cooked curries which are cooked for almost 18 hours every day consistently, and people just love it.
Okay.
अच्छे से रसा हुआ नहीं होता खाना, नॉर्थ इंडियन देसी घी में बना हुआ, फुल मतलब सुपर पम्प थ्रॉटल वाला खाना है, पंजाबियों का खाना।
Super pump throttle वाला खाना। I like that.
You'd feel the tomatoes, the tangy.
First of all, the whole idea of butter chicken to me, the fact that you take chicken, you roast it, तंदूरी करते हैं उसका, फिर उसे क्रीमी ग्रेवी में डालते हैं, मक्खन डाल के, क्रीम डाल के, conceptually only it is a brilliant idea.
Okay, can we do it? All right. What do you think?
This is good.
Smooth to your palate. कोई मसाले नहीं है फालतू।
फालतू मसाले नहीं है, और मसाले जो है वो ज़्यादा करके तंदूरी में है, इसे स्मोकी है।
This defines Delhi at some level.
तो दिस इज दिल्ली।
दिल्ली का बटर चिकन।
दिल्ली का बटर चिकन है।
कहीं नहीं जाना, directly at Minar, and I'm telling you this is next level for us.
दिस इज वेरी गुड।
Yeah.
फिर यहाँ हमेशा बटर चिकन बोन पे ही आता है।
Well, you may opt for a boneless butter chicken.
You can opt.
You may, हाँ जी बिल्कुल।
Because नहीं तो everywhere else that I've eaten butter chicken is always a boneless.
Being a non-veg lover, I think bones are very important.
Oh, very good.
The broth coming out of the bone makes a little bit of difference.
Yeah, especially if it's a mutton dish.
100%.
Boneless mutton, never heard of. This is delicious, by the way. Epic. Epic's the right word.
A little bit on Mumbai's butter chicken, and now since you've tried Delhi, what do you think?
Mumbai, according to me, has 3 or 4 kinds of butter chicken. There is the Punjabi butter chicken, which is Delhi influenced,
Okay.
which is served in restaurants like Gaylord and Copper Chimney. Gaylord has a mildly orange butter chicken, not very spicy. थोड़ी मीठी होती है butter chicken.
Sweetness होती है मुंबई में.
Then there is the Chilia restaurant. Chilia restaurant is the Muslim restaurants, Muslim Irani restaurants in Mumbai. They have a butter chicken which is just very dry, blood red color, very smoky, very spicy and sweet.
Kind of a tawa butter chicken masala,
हाँ,
something
tawa
which
butter chicken.
taवे में सूख जाती है gravy.
It's like a tawa but because you made it with tandoori chicken, it is smoky. And then there is one of the largest restaurateurs in Mumbai are the Shetties. जहाँ पहले उड़पी दुकान था, फिर उनका बार बन गया, फिर बार से नॉनवेज फूड शुरू हो गया, तो उनकी एक और ही
I like this story. Bar खुल गए and then
you don't get this butter chicken anywhere in Mumbai.
this is Minar for you, this is Delhi for you, and this is a creamy butter chicken. Welcome to Kareem's Old Delhi.
I'm happy to be at Kareem's and you must tell me a little bit about Kareem's history. मैंने यहाँ बहुत साल पहले खाया है. I haven't come here recently, but I want to know the history. You were saying on the phone that it's over 100 years old.
Precisely 111 years old, Kareem began. The great Walid Saab ji. आज चल रही है हमारी 5th generation and 111 साल पुराने हैं and they serve the best Mughlai curries मेरे ख्याल से पूरे भारत में. That I claim.
अरे, we are going to eat and we are going to try it out also.
100% looking forward.
So was this where it always was? Kareem's इतना बड़ा है अभी, काफी है.
If I show you a backdrop, यहाँ पे अभी हांडिया देख रहे हो, जैसे वो gentleman बैठे हैं.
यहाँ वहाँ आइए.
So जहाँ पे gentleman है यहाँ पे वालिद साहब बैठते थे जिन्होंने चालू किया था इन हांडियों के साथ.
Okay.
And that's how the story began and the journey was
तो
endless.
ये था Kareem's, इतना ही था और ये बढ़ के इतना बड़ा हो गया अभी. हम तो ऑर्डर करेंगे लेकिन आपका रिकमेंडेशन क्या है यार?
देखो मेरा रिकमेंडेशन यहाँ पे है जहांगीरी चिकन.
ओके.
Their kormas, the magaj, absolutely कमाल.
चलो डन.
खमीरी फूली हुई साथ में निहारी and their barra with their beautiful mutton kebabs. It's like a big menu we have here. Kareem's है भैया, दिल्ली का काम है.
मुंह में पानी आ गया. चलो शोएब जाते हैं
Let's go, let's
और
go.
खाते हैं.
Let's go.
ये तो लग रहा है जैसे मुगलों का दावत है. You know, this is fantastic. This looks like. आप ये tell me what is what? ये तो कबाब दिख रहा है मुझे लेकिन
सक्यूलेंट टेंडर कबाब, साथ में है जी बर्रे.
बर्रे. ओके.
खूब आराम से अच्छे तरीके से स्मोकी फील एंड विद दैट
ये है जी गुर्दे कलीजी.
I love गुर्दा कलीजी. My
And
favorite.
their mutton korma, absolutely killer.
Okay.
With that, their badam pasanda, and the only delicacy that you only find in Kareem's.
Only here.
बादाम का इस्तेमाल होता है स्पल्सेस से, ठीक है. एंड साथ में माय फेवरेट चिकन जहांगीरी.
Chicken jangiri. You've been talking about the chicken jangiri for a very long time. So taste
मसालेदार.
मसालेदार.
How do you want to start?
एक कुछ आ रहा है right? मगज.
My favorite curry as well,
हाँ.
and soon to be your favorite.
My favorite भेजा. भेजा is this for you,
जी, thank you.
for me. देते हैं. चलो शुरू करते हैं.
शुरू करें जी.
हाँ, मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ कि कबाब से शुरू करें.
सब आपसे शुरू करता है. You want to do it with कमीरी?
Yes. खमीरी रोटी के साथ कबाब.
क्या बात है. Let's go ahead. I'll share it with you. This kebab,
Yes,
huh?
please. Cheers. Oh my God. This is the softest, tenderest kebabs, mutton kebabs. I know because I think the skewers are thick skewers. So when they allow the keema onto it, it makes it's a thin kebab, hollow, nice and hollow.
They use of fat in it. It renders the fat. अपने natural oil में पका है. That's amazing. Oh, you don't have to chew it much. Just melts in your mouth.
It's beautiful.
So that was the start of Kareem's, huh?
Bada.
The special bara. Please. Isn't that killer?
Yeah, looks. First of all, it's damn difficult to cook mutton properly. Very good. Bala,
Isn't it juicy?
it's beautiful. और ये चाप भी डबल चाप है ताकि you get a lot of meat. Normally, we complain saying कि चाप में गोश्त कम आता है. The smoky, the char, beautifully charred.
And the only dish which you can enjoy when it's piping hot. Otherwise it gets rubbery. अगर 15-20 मिनट बाद, आधे घंटे बाद खाया.
तो इसलिए हमारे नसीब में ठंडा खाना ही होता है क्योंकि हम शूट करते हैं. लेकिन आज we have attacked to food before they could take shoots.
That was actually true, I'm being honest. सीधा खाने पे attack किया. And lovely the way you kind of dig in before. गर्मा गर्म खाने में मजा आता है यार.
मजा आता है यार, मजा आता है.
हाँ जी, किससे करना जी चालू? Anything you like.
मगज.
Alright, I know. You're in for something.
It's looking beautiful this.
Look at the chunks of it, huh?
Yeah, this chunks delicious looking. My God.
Alright. Creamy texture.
Creamy, buttery, like a custard, literally. And it's not too much of masala, so you can taste the bheja as well. No?
And what I like is the quantity of magach. पूरा भर के देते हैं.
भर के देता है. I'm just trying to think कि मैं इतने सालों बाद क्यों आ रहा हूँ. I should have come here every time I've come to Delhi.
I know you don't remember the taste, but is it to your satisfaction? Is what you thought about Kareem's?
Yes, very much, very much. Yet I've got to eat the kurma first. Because the kurma, I think, is the true test of any Mughlai restaurant.
I second you, sir, 100%. And a beautiful chirmal while you're eating. Oh, wow. Look at the glaze on top, huh? The rich bread of old Delhi. Anji, do we dig in the korma?
Yeah, you kurma try करते चलो.
Chalo, let's do.
You know, they say actually the kurma is the sort of basis for all Mughlai dishes. If you can get your kurma right,
The richness in the korma, the slight flavor of cardamom.
and because of the dahi,
Yeah.
the slight sourness to it, and rich garam masalas.
As the bawarchi would say or as the chef would say, कि ना जाले आने चाहिए दही में. ये जाले अगर आ गए तो
ये
काम
जाले,
हो गया.
हाँ.
Exactly. Isn't it nice?
आप बात करो, मैं खाता हूँ.
आज पहली बार मेरी बात करने का मन नहीं करता. This is that good. So the flavors of the curries are similar, but the add-on of badam makes it a little different and boneless, by the way.
Ah, that's why the cut also, the pasande ka cut होगा इसमें ना?
Exactly. So it's boneless mostly, yes. And pasande ka cut, yes.
You know when the food is good जब पसीना छूटता जाता है. The tender boneless meat, beautifully spiced, nutty because of the badams. थोड़ी सी मिठास भी है उसमें.
I think वो mostly gravy में होगी.
Yeah. No?
Yeah, 100%. हल्की richness, थोड़ी सी होगी, and that's what people like. You know, to be sitting with somebody from Bombay and that too, Kunal sir, it's brilliant, isn't it? Sharing a meal.
I'm so happy about it. You know, I'm in love with anybody who likes food. So, if food is genuinely your passion, I will always be a fan.
Anyway, आगे चले जी.
हाँ.
It's too much of food, huh? Can I serve you some? Your
Yes,
favorite?
Gurda.
Gurda and kaleji. Let me just put the kaleji. Yeah, there you go. So off camera, I did speak with you about something, and you said more than the muscle, the mutton and the chicken, you like the organ bit more.
I love the organ meat.
Yeah.
That's why if you notice, I've kept it for the end. Because liver, kidney, kapura, I just love. I just really like it.
You know, my mother, she loves it as well. She cooks it really well for me at home.
So, next time we're in Delhi, you can do it in your house.
I wish you do some. अच्छा घर में खाना खाएंगे.
Why?
मजा आ जाएगा.
The preparation of the Gurda Kaleji is a little different. It's got this nice badi ilaichi ka flavor because it's thoda kala hai masala iska. And it's completely different from the korma and all that. Offals or organ meat, when cooked in a black masala, always tastes better. It's really nice.
I'm sure you do it quite often at your place as well, making all the meat that you fetch.
My mother, who will know more, used to make the best gurda kapuras.
Yeah,
Oh, on earth.
exceptionally. Huh?
Yeah, the sad thing is that nobody knows her recipe. वहाँ थोड़ा problem हो गया.
And I put my hands on the jangiri before, just to check if the quality is as good as normally I try. Now you should try it. I think you'll enjoy it.
Good try, yeah.
Arey wah ji wah. A little curry on the side.
जहांगीरी.
Chicken jangiri.
ये मेरा एक गुर्दा रुकता है मेरे को.
I like it.
Okay, chicken jahangiri. Because the same kind of garnish that you would normally put on nihari, यानी अदरक और मिर्ची का garnish है ये.
And you know, Changezi was inspired by jangiri.
Really?
Yeah, jangiri is a very Mughlai dish. Mughal dishes from Mughals. And Changezi का जन्म थोड़ा सा जहांगीरी को देख के हुआ.
Should we try it with shirmal? Yeah. Shirmal and korma we should have done together. No?
As like the epic combination.
Yeah. You know, there is a reason why I've always liked Kareem's. And all the reasons are coming in front of me right now. It's very nice. Jahangiri is very good, huh?
Very simple curry, nice curry, masaledar curry.
You know, the thing is, also what is very important is to be able to preserve the recipes.
Exactly. And be consistent about it.
Yeah, preserve the menus. Because slowly we are getting healthier, which is not bad. We're eating healthier food and all that. But in the bargain of eating healthier food, we are forgetting all our original salads. We're saying, नहीं ये बहुत पेला है इसमें, बहुत मक्खन है, बहुत ज़्यादा घी है. लेकिन कुछ खाने ऐसे हैं जिन्हें हमें याद रखना चाहिए. Correct or no?
You know, I happened to have the opportunity to meet the real owners. I mean, the ones पुराने time वाले. They very categorically told me कि शोएब 111 साल पहले ना यही स्वाद था. 19-20 का फर्क नहीं है. So what you're eating is a recipe that began back in the day, and आज भी लोग वही खा रहे हैं. And the appreciation is endless. People still love it.
I love it.
Good,
Sir, thank
good.
you very much.
It was
मजा आ
lovely.
गया.
Lovely, lovely. Thank you for having us on your channel. This is beautiful food, and thank you for your time as well.
No. You are the master boss. You are the new generation. You are the young Turk. We're going to keep the flag flying high. The mutton flag flying high is what I think.
100%, 100%. Thank you for saying that. Although, true fan of yours, sir.
And the next time we go, we'll go to Shoaib's house. Because he's told me how good
I
the
see
food
he's committed to you guys. I'm sure Rasad ab hoga. Yes.
होगा.
होगा. ठीक है जी.
तो अगर आपको ये एपिसोड अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज शेयर कीजिएगा, कमेंट कीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा.
Achha, just one thing. You've had almost everything apart from this. Which has been your favorite until now?
Okay, no, it's very difficult to choose because everything has its own. Like I am a big fan of Sikh kebabs and these are really nice. Bara, I can't compare a bara to a korma.
100% you are. But
क्या करें?
amongst the curries,
Among the curries, I like this the best because इसमें गुर्दा है.